Hey Alberta, let's talk about our local film industry. What industry, you ask? Only the one that brought you productions like Fargo, Inception, and The Revenant. In fact, in the last 15 years, Alberta's won more Oscars, Emmys, and Golden Globes than any other region in Canada, which doesn't come as much of a surprise, since our province has all the locations, talent, gear, and facilities that any film could ask for. But what our province does lack is a competitive tax credit. For example, BC's tax credit has allowed them to grow their film industry into a $3.5 billion business, which employs more than 65,000 people. Once our incentives are in place, we'll need a diverse workforce to pitch in. We'll need carpenters, electricians, accountants, drivers. We'll need hotels, caterers, building supplies, you name it. When a multi-million-dollar budget film comes into town, it impacts people's lives. So let's diversify our economy by investing in film. Spread the word, tweet your MLA, and let's keep Alberta film rolling.